Welcome to No Fear Cooking. Today we are going to present to you chicken Tahiti. We cannot travel to Tahiti today or tomorrow or next day, but we are going to bring this wonderful dish to you. And I'm going to go through the steps to get this wonderful meal for you ready in not that long, 15 minutes. Takes a little bit longer to go through the step with the chicken to marinate. It's not complicated, it's No Fear Cooking, and let's go through the steps. We'll see you. With the chicken Tahiti, we are going to do 2 stations. We are having one for veggies and the sauce and one for the chicken. I cut already the chicken in strips. You can buy it already cut. I bought the whole chicken breast and just cut it and just go marinate the chicken for about 2 hours and a half. If you don't have time to marinate, this is ginger. If you don't have time to marinate, don't worry. Just do it for half an hour or just a shorter time and put all the ingredients. So we have the ingredients for you there. I have already the soy sauce. Sherry wine is giving a very good taste to our chicken. We have sesame oil, just a tablespoon, not much, just a little bit of everything. Sounds a lot, they're like 6 ingredients. So most of the time you have them at home. The one maybe you don't have, but you probably do sherry wine and it's delicious. Today I met a new friend, her name is Sherry. So hi Sherry, it was nice talking to you. She walks in our neighborhood with her dogs, and I have only 2 of the green onions that I like to put. So everything gets mixed. All the ingredients, like I said, it sounds complicated, very easy, very good taste. Oh, the sesame oil already smells so good. So let's marinate for 2.5 hours overnight. If you have time like tonight, just do it tonight. Just marinate everything together. Mix a little bit together everything with your hands. Put them in your refrigerator so everything will coat. All this sauce is delicious. And 2 hours and a half will go pretty fast. If you have time in the morning, do it. And then we are adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to make the sauce a little bit thicker, and they use this a lot in other countries, the cornstarch, to thicken the sauce, and the taste will be better. So again, 2 hours and a half is going to the refrigerator. I'll see you back. Babette, what do you think? Is it smelling good? Is it smelling good? The sherry and the sesame oil, everything. We are coming back in 2 hours and a half with all this chicken marinated. I'm going to wash my hands. I'll see you in 2.5 hours. It's going to the refrigerator. And we are back with the chicken. Took 2 hours and a half to marinate. I wanted to marinate it that long, at least. But again, overnight is good. And pour the oil in it. You can see it is dancing. Yes. Again, with the cooking takes a little bit love. Lots of love, actually. A little bit time. And if you don't have a big pan, split the chicken in 2 maybe to do it. Ours is big enough. So let me pour all the chicken in it. And it will take probably about 10 minutes to cook the chicken. I'm going to just a little bit, look at the medium high, look at the heat, and you already can have the smell in it, the Tahiti smell. We cannot travel, but we are traveling with the food. So let's do a little bit fun cooking this month with a lot of places to go. I'm going to come back with the chicken being cooked for about 7 to 10 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked, we'll do the second step of the recipe. So we'll see you in a short time. Back 10 minutes, the chicken is already cooked. I tried with the fork. Well, let me give it a mix. Stir it well so the pieces are very well done. Smells very good. All the flavors are in this wonderful dish. And look at the chicken. The fork goes right through. It's all done. 10 minutes. You can cut it smaller if you're in a hurry, but it's pretty good. Now, we are doing the second step for this wonderful chicken Tahiti. So what we're going to do, I'm going to add the bok choy. Oh, look at all these good vegetables here. So this is already add to it. A little bit of the black pepper, as much as you want to. And 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. That will go right into the veggies and the chicken. And we'll cook all this for about 5 minutes. Let me give it a stir. We want to cook the bok choy for a couple minutes. What a good smell, what a good color. Just like Tahiti has lots of colors there in their own country there. Lots of love in cooking and a little bit of time. And now I'm going to put 2 cups of the chicken broth and we'll come back in 5 minutes. 5 minutes will be cooking the chicken with the chicken broth and the bok choy. You'll see it is going 1, 2, 3 once you have everything measured. If you have everything ready on the counter, I'm always about having things ready and then it's going pretty fast. 1, 2, 3 and you can put it together. Chicken is going to cook with the bok choy right now and we add 2 more ingredients the last 2 minutes of the cooking. We'll see you in 4 minutes. We have 2 more ingredients to take. I'm just going to though dip my spoon in to see if it's salt enough and all the sauces. The last one we added oyster sauce gave enough salt to our chicken and vegetables. And again, look at this. It's a little bit, the sauce is not that thick. So if you like to, you can add a little bit more cornstarch that I have here, 2 teaspoons with a little bit of water and just add it to your chicken. I will put just about a very tiny bit. I don't think it needs to be too thick, but I'll add a little bit of the cornstarch mixture in it, just a tiny bit. Let's put it right in the middle, and then it's going to make it just a tiny bit thicker. Do you see already the change? Again, in the kitchen, it's wonderful smells. Everybody gets together, and today we can talk about different places all over the country. I'm going to go to look at a Tahiti map. Maybe we'll put a picture from the Tahiti, I don't know. We'll cook it for another minute. And at this point, we are going to add our snow peas, right? Just add them on and cook everything 2 more minutes. And we are ready to serve. These were nice and drained. And it's giving a nice crunch, the watercress. Let's mix one more time. And 2 minutes, I'm going to cover it and let it stand for 2 more minutes cooking. And everything is ready, yes. It smells good, wonderful. 2 minutes with the cover and we're ready. The smell is fantastic. The taste, I have to say it's delicious. I tasted already. I cooked a little bit rice in meanwhile, so it's perfect. Let's have a scoop of rice, as much as you want to, or a little bit you want to. And now I'm going to take a little bit of the chicken, put it on the side, a little bit of the veggies and the sauce, and let's go taste it. See, how is it? The sauce is delicious. Oh, smells good. You know, it's not too much of a soy sauce that will overpower or one or the other. It's just perfect. So let's go see. Ah, the fork goes nice. And the chicken is cut in a little bit bigger strips this time, so we can use our fork and knife and enjoy it. Have fun with the family. Let's see. Very good. You may add a little bit soy sauce on the side. or maybe a little bit more extra ginger, or whatever you like to, but it's delicious. Let's go to Tahiti, and thank you for watching us. Thank you for making time for us. Write us a note, subscribe, and manja manja till next time. Pofta buna.